Hello everyone, my name is Smith Kumar and welcome to my channel. Last video, we have learned how to set up the learning environment for learning Linux. So I just want to continue from there and today I will just tell you how to create Docker and install Ubuntu there in Windows operating system because someone will feel easy to do install Docker and install Ubuntu there, and you can practice Linux shell scripting there also. So this is the continuation of the Linux learning shell scripting. So let's start. First of all, we will install Docker. This is my Windows machine. So last class, what we have discussed is I have set up VMware. In the VMware, we have installed Ubuntu, and I have told you that I'm going to use that Ubuntu and we'll practice Linux and we will going to learn shell scripting. Okay, so we will going that also we are going to do that. But in case if you are feel if you are feeling not comfortable with using Ubuntu, then even you can install Docker in your Windows system and you can install Ubuntu. Okay, so whatever it's your choice. Finally, we have to learn shell scripting. Okay, so let's start. So what you have to do is if you go and check here, go to command prompt and type here Docker. Okay, so Docker is not recognized. Okay, that's what we will get because Docker is not installed, right? So I have already prepared the documentation for that. First of all, you have to install the Docker Hub and Docker Desktop. Once you have installed the Docker Desktop, you have to that's done. Installing Docker is very easy in Windows or any operating systems. Okay, so let me open my documentation. Okay, and actually I have installed Kubernetes as well. So we need to install the Docker. Okay, you can download Docker. You can search. You can Google download Docker. You will get the link. Otherwise, it's easy. Nothing there. Okay, so you can see here download Docker desktop for Windows. So it will take few minutes to download. Okay, so once it is downloaded, I will go here and check to download and okay, so this is my Docker desktop. Double click and install. Yes. It will take few seconds. It will download all the packages. Application add photo desktop fine. It will take few minutes. Okay, so you can see my Docker desktop has installed. It is saying that you must restart Windows to complete the installation. So let me start and come back. We start from here. Okay, once you start your system, then you will find this message. This is agreement, service agreement message on Docker. You have to simply accept that and click on accept. Okay, so you can see Docker desktop is installed. Docker desktop starting now. So it will take some time to start the Docker engine. The tutorial they give. We will not going to learn Docker in this video, but anyway, I'm planning to prepare one new series on Docker and Kubernetes. So stay tuned. Okay, you can see Docker is started. Now what to do? We can go to our command prompt. Okay, and we will search for Docker. Okay, you can see this is installed. So now what you run, we need to run the command called Docker run Ubuntu. So it will fetch the Ubuntu image from the Docker Hub and install in your system. Okay, it is installed, means downloaded. Okay. Now we can see the Docker image is there or not. So Docker images. You can see Ubuntu image. Okay. We can run, we can check it whether it is running or not. So Docker. Yes. Right now no container running, but we have created the image. From the image we have created the container. Okay. So we'll create the container now. Command to create container is Docker. I will just increase the size of this font a little bit. Docker run it is the image name you have to give here. The image name is ubuntu, and then which shell we are going to use? Bash shell. Okay, so it means interactive terminal, so it will launch our interactive terminal. This is the command to create container for Ubuntu image. So for the image you have to create the container. This is Ubuntu, bash is the shell. Okay, so you can see we have inside the bash shell of the my container. So we can write anything like ls minus ltr. Okay, you can check, you can even print go hello world. Okay. Hello Ubuntu or hello Linux. So what I have done is I have installed Docker, and in the Docker we have installed Ubuntu, and in the Ubuntu we can practice our Linux scripting. That's all for this video. What I can say is you can practice whatever way you want. Final thing that we have to learn self-scripting, right? So I have shown you the multiple way. There is the other way also. If you want, I can show you if you want, but this is the easiest way. Install Docker in your Windows system, install Ubuntu that, and start practicing in that. So you can, I will just check what Ubuntu OS is. So you can do cat and etc, and you can see the OS release. Okay, so you can see the OS name is Ubuntu and name is Ubuntu this LTS. So that's all for this video. Just last point, even the Windows 10 or 11, they're giving Windows 8 also. I'm not sure, this is my Windows 11 system, so it is part, it is there, the Windows subsystem of Linux. There also you can install Ubuntu and you can practice. Let me show you. If you go here and we'll search here Ubuntu, okay, so you can see here. Okay, simply you can practice here. This is also one easiest way of doing this one. Okay, hello Linux. You can see this is also one Ubuntu Debian, and then version is this. So that's all. I've given multiple way of environment setup for Linux, and you can now start learning Linux shell scripting. Okay, so that's all for the video. If some of the viewers are getting some error of here, please ping me, or you can comment on in my video. And you can also, there is some I got some error while installing Docker last time. So what I have to install that WSL. So you can Windows subsystem or Linux you have to enable, and that you can enable from the control panel, that you can do. And sometimes you have to install MSI also, WSL MSI also. So that and all is very easy. You can search on the Google, you will get the error. If you are facing any issue, please feel free to comment. And to get this type of knowledge, please subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you very much.